Right, so let's learn and look at today's focus. So at the top we have the beginning of a number square, and at the bottom we have a number line to 10. Now if we were just counting in ones, it'd be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way up to 10. But because we are counting in twos, we're going to be doing jumps of 2. So rather than going one jump, we're going to do 1, 2. So if we were starting at 0, we'd go 1, 2 to 2. Same again to 4, 1, 2 to 6, 1, 2, 1, 2 to 8, 1, 2 to 10. So I want you to have a think now about all the different things that you can count in twos. Think about things you know, what you can see,